Hello everyone, you're watching Skill TV. I'm your host Georgie. Today this is my second video for the Uber tutorials. Today I show you this page for the Uber helps having trouble where have to help. You go to Uber's, open the Uber website, go to help.uber.com in your computer's browser. As with the Uber's mobile app, you can request for any if you have problem. Sign in with the Uber's. If you have mobile or email, click here in the box bottom and click right next. If you don't have mobile phone or email or don't have any accounts, you just sign in with your confirm with Facebook accounts. Then find the rider. Getting to Uber new riding app, Uber overview, signing up more. Driver with Uber sign up to driving. Next, more information about to driving. This some bottom you can read from the screen. This is the new functions I show you here one by one. You can also read this all. This some options also here available. This some you selected here what kind of your have issue. You find here some items what kind of your have issue you selected and contact with the tell us the Uber help. What kind of he help to you is the processing timing for the 24 hours he can help you. You submit some requesting within 24 hours he solve your the problems. So you see this. If you don't have any accounts, you go to there some apps, app stores, and this is the Uber app, black and white. You can this one. This is the Uber apps, black and white icon. You can install from the app stores if you don't have in your mobiles. So open the app and go to the left side bottom three lines and click it the three lines and select it the any you have problems with payment, with your trip, with your free riding and help some setting also there's you what kind of your have problem you select it. If I lost some item with the vehicle, also you click the hairs, connect the with the world. This step 7, what kind of your item lost it, what kind of you have some problems. So you read also this one and send some option there with the type of your mobiles app and you send it. Uber can contact you within 24 hours. He can help you. You don't worry if you lost some items. Tell more about some item if you forget in the vehicle. He can help you. If you have some any other problem also you can contact the with Uber and submit. It's a very easy, nothing have any trouble with your rider, your payment, your drivers. All is available here in your apps. Everyone you want to see your apps request, your trip, your fares, your find the payment, what payment I give him, the drivers. Every item here in the app available you can find there, and you contact with the Uber. This is the my second video for the Uber tutorials. If you like this my video, please like and share and some comments. Also you watching for next video and coming soon. So thanks you watching this my second video tutorial. Okay, see you next in the video. I come back in the next tutorial.